In this video, I'll show you how to import videos in CapCut so you can go ahead and edit them. So this works for YouTube landscape and also for portrait short form videos as well. So what you want to do once you've got to CapCut is go ahead and click on New Project, and then it will open up your videos here. So you can scroll through your video library and select any video. You can also select multiple videos in multiple formats. So I'm going to select this short form piece of content which is in vertical format. I'm also going to select this YouTube video which is in a landscape format, and we'll click add. Now you will notice that it's going to default to the first clip, so we are in vertical format. We can also delete this CapCut section as well, but then you can see also my YouTube video is in the vertical format too. Now you can only choose one format for your videos. So whatever it is, you want to go ahead and click on the blank space, and then it will give you access to this toolbar at the bottom right. With this toolbar, you can find aspect ratio, and then you can choose what dimensions you actually want to export your project in. So is that 9:16 short form, or is that 16 or 6:9 long form? So whatever the dimensions you want to use, you can change them here. Then you can go ahead and export in the top right hand corner once you're happy with your imported clips.